నేర్చుకున్నాం. విషయాలు నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఇంకొన్ని లైనక్స్లో నేర్చుకుంటూనే ఉంటాం. రైట్. సరే, ఇప్పుడు యాక్చువల్గా సార్ ఓకే, యాక్చువల్గా ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, so let's move on our exact original discussions, right friends? Okay, scripting. Oh, scripting, actual scripting. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు స్క్రిప్టింగ్ అనేది సింపుల్ వర్డ్స్లో నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. స్క్రిప్టింగ్ అనేది సింపుల్ వర్డ్స్లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. రైట్. సింపుల్గా మీరు ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ 1 JSON. ఓకే, JSON. ఓకే, JSON. సో JSON స్క్రిప్ట్ అనేది సింపుల్గా మనం ఇంగ్లీష్లో చూస్తున్నాం, బాగా ఉపయోగిస్తారు. బట్ ఎనీవే, ఓల్డ్ ఫేమస్ వరల్డ్. ఓకే, ఎక్సలెంట్. ఇది నువ్వు కొంచెం బాగా నేర్చుకోవాలి. రైట్. ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ నెక్స్ట్ లైవ్లో మంచి పిక్చర్లో ఉన్నది ఏమయ్యా అంటే 5AML, ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీ అండ్ ఎక్సలెంట్, మంచి బ్రాండ్ ఉన్నది AML స్క్రిప్ట్. రైట్, AML. సో ఈ AML స్క్రిప్ట్ అనేది మీరు సింపుల్గా చెప్పాలంటే Kubernetes, something called Docker, something called Ansible, Kubernetes. ఓకే, Ansible కూడా మనం AML స్క్రిప్టే వాస్తాం. రైట్. అయితే మనకి సో వీ హ్యావ్ అన్ ఎక్సలెంట్ platform or excellent IAC tool, Terraform. Infrastructure as a code, IAC, Terraform. Excellent, extraordinary, right? Yes. Inside a Terraform, we write a simple HashiCorp. This is one kind of a scripting language which we need to write inside Terraform. Right. Excellent. AML, HashiCorp, JSON. Okay, very, very important. Afterwards, friends, GROOVY, Groovy. So this is also very, very important scripting. But a Groovy language scripting, yes, writing inside Jenkins. To work with Jenkins, we must have a Groovy scripting skills knowledge. Jenkins, if you want to use Jenkins, yes, very, very important. Groovy, HashiCorp, AML, JSON, very, very important as a DevOps engineers. So DevOps engineers, very, very important. At the same time, Linux. Okay, Linux can understand shell script. Right, shell script. If you want to talk with the Linux, shell script. If you want to talk with the Linux, shell script, actual shell script. Okay, shell script. Or if you want to talk with some other tools like something called the powerful most testing tool, Selenium as a testing tools. Okay, if you want to talk with the Selenium testing tool, okay, you must write Java or Python. Okay, that means what? Selenium is a automation testing tool, okay, which can test our applications. To test our application inside Selenium, we must write the Java. That's all. How to test this application? Okay, how to perform testing? Everything will be written by using Java only. So if you want to become a Selenium test engineer, we must learn complete Java. Not 4 days, 5 days Java. Okay, complete Java, complete Python also. Afterwards, you'll become an expert in Selenium testing tool. That's all. So automation testing expert. Okay, continuous integration, continuous deployment, continuous delivery, continuous testing. That's all. Continuous testing purpose, we use Selenium. Okay, yes. Inside a Selenium, my test engineers are writing the scripts, test scripts. The test scripts are nothing but to test the application. To test the application, we need to write the test scripts, boss. Test scripts. The scripts are written inside Java or Python only. That's all. So that my Selenium tool can understand this test scripts and execute this execute the step scripts. That means what, executing or testing your application. That's all. This will give you the exact result like this. Okay. This is what testing. Java, Python, like that. Continuous testing, continuous deployment, continuous integration, continuous delivery. Yes, these are all the terms. As a DevOps engineer, we must know all these things. Yes, that's why we are straight away telling the testing concepts also. Why testing, what kind of testing you are going to perform. Yes, everything will. You are means what, sir? Testing in a row, not you. No. Okay, you must work with the test engineers. You must work with the developer. You must work with some other cloud engineers. You must work with the Linux admins. Yes, and the different types of administrators. Yes, as a DevOps engineer, this is your responsibility. Okay, as a DevOps engineer, this is your responsibility. Okay, right. Before starting DevOps and everything, right, we must understand some scripting. The scripting is nothing but what? Shell scripting, shell script or bash script. Bash, born again shell, that's all. Bash. Okay, right, bash. Sir, so what is scripting? Why we use scripting? Simple. I'll give you excellent example. Boss, for example, simple. Suppose task one, right? Task one. Okay. Number one. Check the software. Check the software whether it is available or not. Whether it is available or not. That's all. Check the software whether it is available or not. First step. Second step. And if it is available, yes, available. Okay, no problem. Start the service immediately. Oh, start the service. Start the service immediately. Immediately. That's all. Start the service immediately. Right. Yes, friends. If it is yes, start the service immediately. Okay. The fourth step is what? If not, no, not available. Oh, the software is not available. Not available. Okay. If it is available, start the service immediately. The software is not available. Then what next? Hey, if the software is not available, install the software immediately. Okay. Install the software immediately. That's all. Okay. Install the softwares immediately. Right. Yes, friends. Right. Okay. These are all the steps which I need to perform inside my Linux. Simple. Sir, what is the software name, sir? Docker. Oh, Docker is a software which can be used to create a containers, ugly number of containers. Ugly means what, sir? Number of containers. Any number of containers we can create inside a Linux machine only. The base operating system is Linux only. If you take an entire world, only Linux 99.9%. Okay, Docker containers or available inside a Linux only. Okay, inside a containers, my application is sitting here. That's all. My application in the sense what QR code, okay, debit card payment, QR code payment, debit card payment, credit card payment, like this. This is called also called as a microservices. QR code microservices, debit card microservices. Inside real time, the people are calling microservices. So in a container, we are installing the microservices applications and we are running this microservices application. The entire world business code is available like this. Simple. Okay. Now our aim is to check the software, and if it is available, then start the service immediately. If it is not available, then what next? Install the software immediately. Okay. Afterwards, install the software immediately. Afterwards, start the service. So this is a manual steps, boss. Okay. This is a manual steps. For that, I can go with what? First time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time. How? 6 times I need to perform 6 times. But instead of executing the 6 times or instead of performing 6 times, just can write all the steps inside a file. That's all. I can write all the steps inside a file. This is my file. Okay. I can write all the steps. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step. I can write all the steps inside my file. That's all. I can write all the lines inside my file. It's like a English-like language, boss. That's all. It's like a English-like language concept like that. So I write all the steps inside my file, right? After writing all the steps inside this file, after writing all the steps inside my file, yes, I can execute this file immediately. I can execute this file. That's all. I can execute the file. Okay. If I press enter button, a fraction of seconds, that means what? Within seconds, the scripts will be executed automatically in respective terminal. That's all. The script will be executed automatically inside a respective terminal. Yes, task is over. So instead of performing 6 times, I can perform just something called seconds. That means what? 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Let's say. Okay. Instead of spending 1 hour time, I can spend only that 10 seconds. Oh, I can spend only 10 seconds. It's over. Simple task. That means what? Reducing the time as well as flexibility. Flexibility, yes. Time and flexibility, yes. I reduce the time, flexibility. At the same time, boss, suppose if you want to perform the same task inside one more server, inside this is server number one, we are perform this kind of task within 10 seconds. But I want to perform the same task inside my second server also. This is my second server too. You can perform just 10 seconds. Oh, very easy, dead easy, boss. That means what? You are reducing time and flexibility. But in a backend is no, we need to perform all this kind of actions. 1, 2, 3, 6 actions. That's why most of the people are not doing this kind of activities. Most of the people are, writing all the steps in a one file, and they are executing this file. That's all. So you get the results immediately, 10 seconds. So, boss, this kind of steps, that means what? Group of steps. Okay, a group of steps. Group of steps, a collection of steps. Okay, group of steps, collection of steps, nothing but what? script only. Oh, script only. That means what? You are not doing manually. Instead of doing manual work, we are going for automation work. That's automatically your task will be executed in a particular server. Okay, automatic task, automation, automatic. Yes. So as a DevOps engineer, you are not a developer, you are not a test engineer, you are not a middleware admin, you are an automation expert. That's all. You are an automation expert. Okay, you are an automation expert. So now execute the scripts. Simple. Okay, afterwards you can save script, we can write and we can execute. But boss, this file will be written by someone else and that file will be loaded into some other place. Oh, okay, okay. Yes, yes. This file will be storing into some other place. So that place name is what some people they're storing the scripts into GitHub. Oh, this is for storage purpose. Some people, all the scripts are storing inside the something called S3 buckets. Oh, some people, yes, yes, S3 buckets. In a real time, most of the people, are storing their scripts inside a GitHub, inside a S3 bucket. Yes, yes, yes. You can also store this kind of files or script files inside S3 buckets also and GitHub also. Okay, depends company to company, organization to organization, GitHub. Okay, so these are all nothing but what script files. Okay, sir, what is meant by scripting, sir? Script. What is meant by script? Script is nothing but a collection of instructions or a group of instructions which can perform a task is nothing but a script. That's all. That means what? A set of commands, boss. That's all. Commands only. Set of commands only. Yes. Hey, boss, I'll ask you one thing. How to check the software? We know very well. Okay. How to start the service? We know very well. How to do that, sir? Simple. Okay. To check the software, particular software, just simple. Suppose to check the software, we use something called which also we can, or we can also something called Docker hyphen version also. Which Docker? Or you can say Docker hyphen version. If the command executed successfully, then the Docker software is available inside a server. That's all. This is the only command to check the software. Okay. But how to install the software? If the software, that means the first step is successful, then execute the next step. So next step is what? Oh, software is available. That's why I can start the service. So service means what? See, each and every application is having their associated service. If the services are not running, definitely the application will not work for you. That's all. Docker software will not work for you. That's why we must start the service. To start the service, we use a statement called service. We use service or service name what? Docker service name Docker start. That's all. If it is available, I want to perform, I want to execute this step. That's all. Only steps only. Suppose if not available, oh, if not available, not available. Then what next? Install a Docker software. To install a Docker software, install Docker -y. That's all. Oh, yes, yes. So these are all the steps, boss. The steps are nothing but what commands only. Oh, okay, all the Linux commands put together inside a file. This is nothing but what a shell script. That's all. The shell script contains all the Linux commands. Simple. A group of Linux commands, a series of Linux commands. Okay, multiple commands. Nothing but a shell script. That's all. So in this way, we need to write the script. The script will be, yes, understood by operating system, kernel, yes, simple. Okay. Now, simple understanding purpose, why we need to write the script means what? We reduce the manual task, we save the time. So we reduce the manual task, we save the time, and we having some flexibility to move from one place to another place very easily. Suppose my, something 2 years back, my team manager written a script like something called, which is available inside my GitHub repository. Oh, I need a same script right now also. But to write the script from the scratch, it takes at least 4 hours time. Oh, 4 hours time. It is badly affecting our business, our delivery. That's all. Our release, badly affecting our release, our application release. Yes. That's why I need to reduce the time. Means what? I don't want to write the script again. I would like to take the old script. I can modify the old script within a fraction of seconds. I can execute the script immediately. That's all. Fine. That means what? Flexibility. Flexibility. So in most of organizations, so they appoint as a script writers. Yeah, script writers. And top MNC, they won't touch you. No, 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 no. In this top MNC, they won't touch you as a script. They have a specialized skills persons are available inside any organization. They handle all the writing scripts and everything they have handle. And after writing the script, they can push the scripts into GitHub. That's all. Or S3. That's all. Okay, so no need to write the scripts again and again. Sir, why you are telling all these things, sir, script classes and everything? Yes, boss. See, observe carefully. Suppose, we have some task. Number one, task number one. Okay, we have a task number one called something called, hey, uh, just create a users, just create a multiple users. Okay, assign a password for them. Assign a password for multiple users. That's all. This is your task. Assign a password for multiple users. This is your task, for example. So for that, in the previous days, just we were working only a single user creation. But as of now, no, I don't want to use a single user creation. It takes a lot of time. That's why just I'm going with the script. That's all. Okay, creating multiple users, assigning the password for the multiple users. Yes, everything will be writing inside this file. That's all. This is what a script file. Oh, script file. Okay, I can execute the script. That's all. See, boss, observe carefully. I know very well about all the lines so that I can modify immediately. But I don't know the lines which are available inside a script. No. How should I modify? Not possible. How should I modify? Not possible. In the same way, if you know thoroughly about all these things, you can modify the script easily. Otherwise, no, it is not possible. In the same way, most of the developers are thinking, yes, developer task, right? So most of the people, developers, understand the business requirement. Okay, as for the business requirement, they need to develop the code. That's all. Oh, this is the code. That means what? Business logic, boss. Business logic. They need to develop the business logic only. They need to develop business logic. That's all. So using Java, by using Python, by using Go, by using COBOL, by using some other .NET like that. That means what? This is the coding. That means understanding the business requirement, writing the code. That's all. By using any kind of programming language. This is what business logic. They're implementing the business logic. They're implementing the business logic. So as a developer, they start with the writing simple programs, hello world program, A plus B programs, A star B programs, something programs, something like that. They can start working on some other programming languages. After విషయాలు నేర్చుకున్నాం, ఇంకొన్ని లైనక్స్ లో నేర్చుకుంటూనే ఉంటాం. రైట్. సరే, ఇప్పుడు యాక్చువల్గా సార్, ఓకే, యాక్చువల్గా మనకి, ఓకే, ఫ్రెండ్స్, so let's move on our exact original discussions, right friends? Okay, scripting. Oh, scripting, actual scripting. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు స్క్రిప్టింగ్ అనేది సింపుల్ వర్డ్స్లో నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. స్క్రిప్టింగ్ అనేది సింపుల్ వర్డ్స్లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా, రైట్? సింపుల్గా మీరు ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ 1 JSON. ఓకే, JSON. ఓకే, JSON. సో JSON స్క్రిప్ట్ అనేది సింపుల్గా మనం AWSలో చూస్తున్నాం, బాగా ఉపయోగిస్తారు. బట్ ఎనీవే, ఓల్డ్ ఫేమస్ వరల్డ్. ఓకే, ఎక్సలెంట్. ఇది నువ్వు కొంచెం బాగా నేర్చుకోవాలి, రైట్? ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ నెక్స్ట్ లైవ్లో మంచి పిక్చర్లో ఉన్నది ఏమయ్యా అంటే 5AML, ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీ అండ్ ఎక్సలెంట్, మంచి బ్రాండ్ ఉన్నది AML స్క్రిప్ట్, రైట్? AML. సో ఈ AML స్క్రిప్ట్ అనేది మీరు సింపుల్గా చెప్పాలంటే Kubernetes, something called Docker, something called Ansible. Oh, Docker, Ansible, Kubernetes. ఓకే, Ansible లో కూడా మనం స్క్రిప్టే వాస్తాం, రైట్? అయితే మనకి, సో వీ హ్యావ్ అన్ ఎక్సలెంట్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఆర్ ఎక్సలెంట్ IAC tool, Terraform. Infrastructure as a IAC, Terraform. Excellent, extraordinary, right? Yes. Inside a Terraform, we write a simple HashiCorp. This is one kind of a scripting language which we need to write inside Terraform, right? Excellent. AML, HashiCorp, JSON. Okay, very, very important. Afterwards, friends, GROOVY, Groovy. So this is also very, very important scripting. But a Groovy language scripting, yes, writing inside Jenkins. To work with Jenkins, we must have a Groovy scripting skills knowledge. Jenkins, if you want to use Jenkins, yes, very, very important. Groovy, HashiCorp, AML, JSON, very, very important as a DevOps engineers. So DevOps, for example, I have one doubt, sir. My name is something called Venkatesh. Okay, my name is Venkatesh, sir. Okay, sir, for example, I am working in this space, sir. This is my terminal. Okay, this is my terminal. Okay, but some other person is available in this space. His name is Mr. something called Rajendra. Is available in this place. Is expert in a skill scripting. So is the person who is having excellent knowledge on shell scripting, and he developed all the script. He developed all the script, that's all. So now after developing, that means Rajendra is available inside a Bangalore location and Venkatesh is available something called Hyderabad location, that's all. Hyderabad and Bangalore. Okay, after writing the script, yes, Rajendra straight away, yes, as per their organization or project rules, as for the are the client rules, straight away, yes, pushing this script into GitHub. GitHub, that's all. Pushing the script into GitHub. For example, assume that GitHub, the script is available in GitHub. But from the GitHub, how can I take the script into my mission? Yes, I'll tell you, boss. I'll explain you all these things. Yes, from a script is available inside a GitHub. Script is ready, but my manager or my POC said, "Hey, Venkatesh, go to GitHub, take the script, and execute the script immediately." That's all. This is that's all. Oh, writing the script is done by Rajendra. Okay, executing the script is done by Mr. Venkatesh. Yes, there are two roles. Yes, yes. The person who can understand writing the script, that's all. Who can modify the script, that's all. In your company, the person who can write the script and who can modify the script, that's all. And after writing the script, they can just push the script into GitHub location. After pushing the GitHub location as a Venkatesh, as some other person, yes, can go to GitHub, take the script inside into your mission, and you can execute the script. The task will be executed successfully. Task will be performed successfully. Yes, yes, like this also, the things will be happening inside a real time. Yes. But sir, is there any possibility to develop the script from the scratch? No, they won't give you that kind of time also. Hey, boss, please wait. I have good knowledge on scripting. I have a good experience scripting. I have 15 plus years of experience on scripting. I can develop the script my own. Please wait. Please give me 4 hours time. Hey, boss, don't give 4 hours, only 4 minutes only. That's all. Within 4 minutes, we can write the script, we can execute the script. Yes, the task will be implemented. Otherwise, I won't give you. No. That's why most of the people, yes, depending upon, yes, only old scripts. That's all. Already existing scripting files are available. Open the files, understand the series of steps, and do some modification and just execute the script. That's all. This is your duty. Oh, this is your duty only. Yes. Just take the scripts and execute the script. That's all. Modify something. Sir, I am a very clever student. I know very well about ChatGPT. I know very well about something called other AI. I can develop in seconds, sir. I know I am expert in AI. I am expert in using AI tools. Excellent, boss. Excellent. I'll give you one thing. Yes, so I'll give you one thing. A doctor is available. But same some fellow is available in this place. He is Mr. Doctor, something called Ravi is a doctor, right? Some other fellow, something called Ramesh. Oh, is Ramesh. He's not a doctor. He's a doctor. Ramesh is not a doctor. Ravi is a doctor. Oh, Ramesh is an excellent guy. Super. You know very well, and he completed masters. Afterwards, studied very well. He's expert in AI. A question was given to Mr. A. Hey, hey, how to do some operations? Please explain series of steps. The AI given 40 steps to perform an operation with some patient who is suffering from something called stomach pain. Operations needed. Oh, 40 steps given. Boss, understand carefully. 40 steps given. By using all these steps, can you perform the operation? No. Hey, why? Whether it is right or wrong, I don't know. I need to check one more time. Checking purpose, I need to get the doctor certificate or I need to, study the doctor course. Otherwise, dummy. Most of the people are thinking that AI will replace developers. AI will replace some others. No, nothing. AI will not replace anybody. Just for AI is the person who gives the just content. That's all. Whether it is right or wrong, we need to verify that. In the same way, yes, in the same way, they will give you the steps. But how to do that? How can I get the experience whether it is right or wrong? I don't know. I need to confirm. For confirmation purpose, I need to study the doctor course, 4 years or 5 years. In the same way, AI will give you the series of steps, either Python or Java or Shell, whatever it is. But as of now, I need to confirm the steps which are right or wrong. That's why I need to learn Shell script. Oh, most of the people are thinking like that only. That means what? They are not increasing their no learning levels. That's why you try to understand, lakhs of AI tools are coming into market, but that will not replace with the developers' work. No, not at all possible. Most of the people are telling that, hey, don't go with 1.5 year course, don't go with 1 year course Java or Python. Please come to me using AI tools. I can give you 4 hours lecture. You will become expert in Java or Python. Hey, what is this nonsense? How can I? How can I? All these things. No, you must, learn properly Java or Python. Afterwards, just you AI. That's all. Okay, that purpose I can. From not from the scratch purpose. In the same way, most of the people are thinking that shell script also. No, 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 no. First of all, we need to understand the manual things. Afterwards, just take the AI help. That's all. Hey, people, please try to understand my words. In this class also, there are talented fellows are available. Yes, I know, but don't use AI. If you use AI, what about calculator? The person who is sitting in a shop without calculator, he cannot do any kind of things. No. If you purchase 3 items also, they can take the calculator, they can. Sorry, boss. After some time, calculator is closed. What happens? Nothing. Nothing. Same way AI also. That's why just to use AI and improve your skills. That's all. But don't depend on totally entire AI. How can I? Same doctor situation. Doctor, yes, yes. Please tell to them doctor situation. Array, AI is giving you 40 steps. Can you perform the operations? Who's suffering, some stomach pain? I can. Afterwards, you will put the jail also. Oh, simple. Don't do this kind of activities. Okay. Same way in real time and projects also. Same thing. I cannot put the a project. Why, sir? Why? Same thing. No, whatever the content which I am taking from the AI, that should not be placed inside my project. Why? I need to verify them. What are the steps? Right or wrong? I need to verify. Verification purpose, I need a person. The person name is a Java developer or a Python developer or test engineers or some other or something called. Yes, yes, we need to check each and every step, whether it is good or whether it is right or wrong. I don't know. Check. We must check. Why? Because it's our client business. This is not a dummy. It's our client business. Okay, my client business affect badly. That's why whatever the things which we learn from the I can not implement directly on my project. It is not easy way to implement all the things in my project. Why? Because this is a client project. In crores of rupees, not in a lakhs, crores of rupees. They're spending crores of rupees to develop this kind of projects, to run this kind of projects. That's why they won't allow you without checking. That's why in every organization, as a DevOps engineer, as a something called a cloud engineer, they provide you sandbox environment. Was go to sandbox environment, do your task, show me once again, I'll approve. Otherwise, don't apply all these things my live business application. No, it is not possible. Yes, that's why we have a sandbox environment. In the same way, whatever the series of steps I developed in my Yes. In my laptop or project, whatever it is, yes, these steps will be executed inside a sandbox environment first time. Oh, shell script also, sir. Shell script also. We must execute the scripts inside a sandbox environment. Afterwards, they'll apply at the live environment. Yes, live. Straight away, not possible. Whatever the steps which we have written, not applied on directly on live environment, which we are applying only sandbox environment or POC, proof of concept environment. Some people or most of the organization calling as a POC, sandbox, whatever it is. Yeah, something called based on your organization style. That's all. Based on your organization style, you need to work for that. Okay, sir. Sir. Yes, these are all the very important steps which we need to understand thoroughly. Without understanding all these things, doing the work inside a project, nothing but next month you will be rejected and going to your home. That's all. Yes. Okay, so try to understand the situation and work properly. That's all. Work properly. Definitely you will become expert. So whatever it is was, so DevOps 100% highest package as well as huge demand in the market. DevOps. AI is also, that is one more role. Yeah, one more thing. Yes, Java full stack, one more thing. Python full stack, one more thing. Oh, cloud also, cloud also. Yes. One more thing. Cloud, DevOps, Linux. These are all the pillars in IT industry. Think like that. But anyway, without DevOps, without cloud, without Linux, no projects. Oh, without Linux, without cloud, without any, no projects. No projects. Yes, without cloud. All the entire business are moving to cloud only. Entire business are migrating to cloud only. That's all. Which clouds are whatever cloud it is, whether it is AWS cloud or something called Azure cloud or whatever it is, no problem. So the good market is for AWS first, afterwards Azure or a GCP. What that's it. Market is for AWS. Oh, yes, you can also check the market for AWS. Sir, why you are showing this one? Because I need to, fill the confidence, because most of the people are, AWS cloud. Oh, yes, boss. AWS holds the largest share of the global cloud infrastructure market, typically ranging from 30 to 33%. It's followed by Microsoft Azure and Google platform. ఓకే. ఏమైతుందంటే ఎందుకు కోర్సు నేర్చుకున్నాం అనేది ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నేర్పించాల. అదే మా ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే అసలు నీకు డెవలప్స్ ఎందుకు అనేది అర్థమైపోతుంది. ఇప్పుడు స్క్రిప్టింగ్ ఎందుకు అనేది కూడా అర్థమైపోతుంది. ఎందుకు స్క్రిప్టింగ్, అసలు స్క్రిప్ట్ ఎవరు రాస్తారు, రాసిన స్క్రిప్ట్ ఇక్కడ అప్లోడ్ అవుతుంది, అప్లోడ్ అయిన స్క్రిప్ట్ నేను నా సర్వర్లోకి ఎలా తెచ్చుకొని దాన్ని ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ చేస్తాను, అసలు హౌ టు రైట్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ హౌ టు రైట్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్. ఆ స్క్రిప్ట్ అనేది సెల్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అయితే ఎలా రాయాలి, అసలు ఫైల్ ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి, ఎస్, దానిలో ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఏం రాయాలి, ఎందుకు రాయాలి, తర్వాత దాని లోపల ఎలాంటి కమాండ్స్ మనం ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయాలి. అంటే బేస్డ్ ఆన్ యువర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఐ కెన్ ఇంక్లూడ్ ద స్టెప్స్. ఎస్, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ అవర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఐ కెన్ ఇంక్లూడ్ ద స్టెప్స్ ఆల్సో. అవర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంది చెప్పాను కదా, 100 మంది యూజర్స్ ఆర్ n నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యూజర్స్ ని మనం క్రియేషన్, n నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యూజర్స్. Okay, write the script which accept n number of users. Write the script which accepts something called a file, whether it is a file or a directory, whether the file is having permissions or not, whether this file is having execution permission or not. ఇట్లా మనం మార్కెట్లో మనం మాట్లాడే భాష. సో ఈ మాదిరిగా మనం ఇంపోర్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే. సో నేను కొంత స్క్రిప్టింగ్ అనేది చాలా ఎక్సలెంట్గా జరిగిద్ది. ఓకే. సో జనరల్గా మనం అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక స్క్రిప్ట్ తీసుకుంటే బాస్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఒక స్క్రిప్ట్ అనేది రియల్ టైంలో ఎస్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ open the file. Okay, a script like something called first column, so second column, yes, third column, yes, fourth column. Oh, first, second, third, fourth. Afterwards start scripting. That's all. Sir, what is this first column? So first column is nothing but what? Why you writing the script? Tell me the purpose. Oh, the purpose of the script. Tell me the purpose of the script. You need to define the purpose in this line. That's all. If you take any kind of script file which contains first one, second one, third one, fourth one, these are all the major lines, so that I can understand. Purpose of the script means what? Okay, creating n number of users. This is my script purpose. Creating n number of users and assigning password. That's all. Purpose. Afterwards, date of script. And which date you have written the script? Date of script. Date. Oh, date is nothing but what? Something called 2/6/2025. That's all. Date of script. Okay. Afterwards was for example, where to execute the script, either in the production environment or something called development environment, something called testing QA environment, and something called some other environments. Where you are using the script, please tell me the environment where you are writing, where you are executing the script, and what purpose you are writing the script. Okay, where in which environment purpose you are writing this environment. So afterwards, boss, for example, okay, use specified the environment called production environment, something called production, like say, or something called some other environment, there is development, something. Yes. Afterwards, but who is the fellow writing the script? Please tell me the author. Oh, script author, Mr. KK. Oh, like this. This is the real-time steps which we include inside a scripting file. That's all. Scripting file. Purpose of the script, a date of the script. Okay. Afterwards, sample environment where you need to execute the script. Afterwards, date of script. Afterwards, who is the author who has written the script, these fourth lines are very, very, very important to develop any script. So in my some other interviews, yes, ask you straight away, hey, I don't want to ask any lines of script. No, please tell me what is the four lines which are available inside your script file. Tell me, because you are telling that I have 4 years of experience in IT. Yes, I know, I agree. But what are the steps which include a first 1, 2, 3, 4 lines? Please tell me. Oh, I don't know. But how you get the 4 years of experience? Actually, accidentally I got an experience. No, not like that. So you need to, perform very well in an interview. Okay. So first of all, study the steps immediately. Afterwards, so purpose of the script is what? Adding number of users. Okay. But how to add a number of users? Okay. How to develop the script? Now you start writing the script. That's all. Now you write starting this. Now you write start the script. Yes, this is a script file. Okay, but now, but see, this is entire your script file. Yes, but the file name must be something called meaningful. Oh, meaningful. That means what? Create users create multiple users. .sh. Oh, why sir sh? Without SSH, the Linux will not consider your file. That's all. That means what? Suppose see something called, if you are opening any file, suppose in your resume, your file is what? Resume.pdf. That means what? This is a PDF file. Like say, afterwards your resume.docx. This is what? docx means Windows, Microsoft Windows file. That's all. Microsoft Windows, something called Office, MS Office, like say MS Office, Microsoft Windows MS Office. Or afterwards, some people calling as something called, this is the file which contains some music. This is what? MP3. So .mp3. Some people considering as MP4. So music plus audio plus video, something called MP4, like that. Simply I can say, okay, the file must have an extension. Okay, this is what? File extension. Oh, the shell script file must have an extension. That extension name is .sh. That's all. Multiple users .sh. That's all. Multiple .sh is very, very important. Okay. And at the same time, we need to write something called, hey, this is lines of steps. Okay, but which belongs to shell only. But how you do this is shell script? Yes, that's why just in every shell script file you must write line something called bash. Oh, bash. You must write a line, and a first line of the file must write bash. That bash is nothing but bin bash. That's all. Bin bash. You must write the bin bash. Afterwards, hash exclamation mark. That's all. Hash exclamation mark. So this line you must write in every shell script file so that our operating system will understand, okay, this is a shell script and these are all Linux commands. The Linux will recognize you. For Linux recognition purpose, we are writing the first line. The line is nothing but most of the people calling as a shebang line or something called as shabang line. Yes, whatever it is, shebang line or shabang line. Yes, shebang or shabang, whatever it is. Or bash, bin bash, whatever it is. Shabang, bin bash. But you need to write a first line bin or bash something, yes, so that our Linux operating system will understand, otherwise no. Okay, so like this we need to develop the script. Okay, but this is what, these are all the exact lines of commands. That's all, no need to write anything. This is what a script file. Okay, this is what a skeleton of the scripting file, skeleton of the shell script file, skeleton of the shell script file. That's all. This is a skeleton of the shell script file. Okay, okay. Okay. Understood, sir. Understanding very well. Okay. Yes, friends, like this, we need to write the script. Okay. But how you develop the script for multiple users, how you install the package in a concerned server, will understand step by step easily, no problem, nothing to worry. Okay, don't afraid of anything. Try to read well. Don't do any kind of